Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener, your source for simple, effective answers for gardening, relationships, and life. I'm Marion Owen. As Valentine's Day approaches, consider painting the holiday green. Green as in more healthy and natural. I'll give you 2 suggestions to do just that. As February 14 nears, our thoughts turn to images of heart-shaped boxes of chocolates. Well, researchers have discovered that hearts and chocolate go very well together. Chocolate, because of its health benefits, has recently become the in thing to eat. Scientists at the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine have found that by eating a few squares of dark chocolate every day, you can reduce the risk of a heart attack by almost 50% in some people. Now, wouldn't that be a loving gesture? Give your sweetie enough chocolate for a year? So how is chocolate good for your heart? Substances in cocoa beans function in the same way as aspirin in preventing heart attacks. Our next example of painting Valentine's Day green has to do with flowers. A gift of cut flowers may not be the wonderful expression of love that you intend it to be. That's because whenever you touch the flowers or inhale the scent of a conventional bouquet, you're probably touching or inhaling poisonous chemicals. The floral industry is one of the heaviest users of hazardous pesticides. What's more, the majority of flowers sold in North America are imported from countries like Ecuador and Colombia, where many farm workers, 70% of whom are women, complain of pesticide poisoning symptoms, from headaches to birth defects. Hey, but things are improving. If you plan to give cut flowers for Valentine's Day or any time during the year, you can now make a responsible, healthy choice. Flowers and ornamental plants, like the indoor plants you buy at a grocery store, certified with the Vera Flora label, are different. Vera Flora, by the way, is spelled V-E-R-I, Flora, as in to verify the flora. The certification program requires growers to use pesticide-free, sustainable agriculture methods and conduct fair treatment of workers. The industry is making headway. 2 of the largest North American wholesalers of cut flowers are Vera Flora certified. I think all companies who grow safe, pesticide-free cut flowers deserve a heart-shaped box of chocolates. Make that dark chocolates. For the UpBeet Gardener in Kodiak, Alaska, I'm Marion Owen.